Welcome, this is Mammillaria hahniana. I showed it to you this year already, but at that time it was in bloom. It had a ring of beautiful pink flowers, and if you're curious how it looked at that time, you're welcome to search my channel, and there are at least 2 videos with this plant in bloom. But right now there are some colorful thingies sticking out of it, making a circle around the center. But these are seed pods. It's already the end of September. October will begin soon, and I know it's a cliche to say that time flies, and when I was a child I was very annoyed with old people who were saying that time flies, and now it's my turn. Time flies, really. I will need to put my Mammillaria hahniana, this one, and other cacti to a spot where they will need to spend their winter. And cacti, in order to bloom, need to go through a dormancy period. So they need to be in a cold place and in a place that is completely dry. So no watering at all during winter, and the temperature should be around 10 Celsius degrees, sometimes even less than that, but the soil in which, the substrate in which the plant is kept, in which the cactus is kept, needs to be completely dry. And then when spring comes, and when the temperatures are getting higher, and when the plant starts to be watered, flower buds will appear and the plant will bloom. Okay, so the key to have a cactus in bloom is to keep it in a cold, dry place during winter. It doesn't have to be a light place, because when a cactus is dormant, it doesn't photosynthesize. So I know that some people who are lucky to have an extra fridge are keeping their cacti in a fridge, but it needs to be a fridge, not a freezer. The temperature needs to be above zero, above freezing point. Okay, so I would like to show you this plant from a different angle. Let's see whether it works, because it's quite beautiful. Look at it. Look how beautiful it is. And these woolly spots here are spots where the plant would produce new flower buds if the temperatures would allow it. But it's beautiful outside, it's very pretty, it's quite warm for end of September, but inevitably the temperature will get lower, and inevitably the plant will need to be put in its dormancy spot, and inevitably these flower buds will have to wait for spring to develop. If I wanted to, I would pick those seed pods and I would plant the seeds, but I have actually never tried to plant cacti seeds. Well, I did try, but I never was very successful, and I don't have that much room for it. The seeds are not ripe yet. You see? I hope you can see the tiny little dots. They are seeds. The fruit, the seed pod, is still wet. So I'm not sure whether it's already time to collect them or not, but the seed pods look so pretty how they are, that I don't even want to pick them. I don't even want to collect them. Look how beautiful they are. Look how pretty they look. Look how much they add to the look of the plant itself. Well, that's about everything. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like my Mammillaria hahniana. It is a beautiful cactus indeed. Have a great afternoon.